Good morning. It is 9:18 on this beautiful Friday morning, and I thought to myself, why not bring you guys along with us? We don't have much planned. Yesterday, we ended up making our flex day, so that's the day that we were out and about. So today we are going to homeschool, but I need to go to the grocery store. So I should have planned it a little better and gone yesterday, but I didn't, and such is life. But anyway, so we're gonna go to the grocery store, and today's $5 sushi. We're not gonna miss that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna make a vegetable lasagna and also a meat lasagna for dinner. So, come on. How are you? My name is Shardae. I'm a homeschool mom to 5 children. They are 8, 5, 3, and 1 year old. 1 year old? 1 year old? Because they're twins. I don't know. And so yeah, here on my channel you'll find day in the lives. I'm trying to clean up my diet, but I'm gonna say like this lasagna is not gonna be like a clean vegan recipe. So it's gonna be as clean as I can make it, but it's definitely gonna have some vegan cream. I'm not gonna do vegan meat. I'm gonna do tofu, but I'm gonna try to find vegan ricotta and vegan cheese and vegan cheese. So yeah, if you're looking for a clean vegan recipe, that's probably not gonna happen. But yeah, so I'm about to start some breakfast right now. I'm gonna throw some waffles in the waffle maker, and then they're gonna have breakfast, and then we're gonna head out to the store. How long did you brush your teeth? For 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, do you think the airplane can see them shining?
Yeah.
The cheese.
Cheese.
Good job, friend. That's amazing. The kids are doing their dailies. They're brushing their teeth, making their bed. Did you make your bed, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you push it in? Oh. So yeah, they're doing their dailies, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with some breakfast. And also, full transparency moment, I did not do the dishes last night after dinner, so I'm not gonna show you because I'm embarrassed, but whatever your kitchen looks like after dinner, that's what mine looks like. So I'm about to do some dishes right now. Somebody's hungry and yelling at me, so let me go take care of some more. I got a delivery yesterday. Late yesterday. Our mail is running really late, like 8, 9 o'clock at night. It's kind of weird, but I guess with the holidays coming, there's just so many deliveries, including my house. So I'm not even complaining. It got here, but I am getting ready. Jesse's almost done with the From Phonics Reading Red Book, which is a 1st grade level phonics program. And so I'm piecing together we are moving to the Blue Book, level B, and that is 2nd grade. But I use that with my friend's son, and the lessons aren't long at all. So I'm going to piece together her language arts program, and I already have the trophies readers. And so I just thought, why not go ahead and, because this stuff is like pretty cheap, $12.99. I got some stuff for $5. The teacher's edition was like $25 for both of them, so $50 together. And so what I do is that when I know that I'm going to stick with the curriculum, I go ahead and buy for all of my children. These were $12.95, and so I got 5. And so this is the practice book. I don't know which one it is. Oh, this is Florida. I wonder if there's a difference. Oh no. Well, we'll see. I hope there's not a difference. This is the first book. I just realized that this is a Florida edition. Now that really sucks. They have some that are not state editions, and I was trying to stick to that. But we'll see. I don't know if there's like really a big difference. I'm gonna go check. But so yeah, that's part of the curriculum that's starting to come in. Okay, so it is 12:47. We are back from our extravaganza. I got these 2 buckets, and then I also got this cobblestone corners stuff. I was thinking about doing a snow sensory bin and letting specifically Benjamin, but I'm pretty sure all the kids are going to want to play with this stuff. So there's a lot of things that are going to go with the snow sensory bin, and then this one as well. I saw the snow sensory bin from like I think Celestine or something like that on Instagram, but I know she's on YouTube. She's like a Montessori genius. Got some yarn for little Miss Jessela so she can practice doing what she wants to learn. This is going to be with the snow sensory bin, and then these are going to be with the pom-poms. You know, the little craft balls. I'm gonna make a sensory bin with those, and then I figured I could especially reuse these. And this is to go with that sensory bin as well. And then the kids some
Slime.
flip and flarp. Slime.
Slime.
Flip and flarp. I don't know. Yeah, that's all we got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so from Harris Teeter, I got some mozzarella cheese, vegan mozzarella cheese, spinach, some just egg, ricotta cheese. The boys asked for some Baby Bell cheese, so I got that for them. They like it for a little snack. Some coconut milk Greek style yogurt. I haven't had the lemon one yet, so I was gonna try that. And then there's also got the vanilla one. I have some granola that I want to put in it for like a little sweet treat. Then some ground beef, and I need it to fill like. I don't need salad stuff because I have some kale, but I kind of wanted to put in. I wanted to put in the just add a little bit extra. So I ran out of cucumber, some sweet butter lettuce, some organic white cheddar tortilla chips. I need to clean them. Some skinny pops. Some ragu. For my lasagna, I'm going to use the whole grain, and then for my husband and my kids, I'm going to use the regular white lasagna noodles. Strawberries, grapes that we need to clean off. Hey, if you guys want to eat these, how about someone start some vinegar water so we can soak them. Italian seasoning, garlic. So I didn't see any vegan ricotta. So I see the cream cheese. Vegan cream cheese, and I got the one with chive. Now I don't know what, maybe I just won't worry about ricotta, or maybe I'll do a little bit of coconut milk or something to thin it out a tad bit. I don't know. I got some Parmesan cheese. They had a sale, so I got shredded and the shaved. Some reduced sodium turkey meat for my husband's lunch, bananas, and then spring rolls and our sushi. So yeah, I spent about this and also the Dollar Tree stuff. I spent about $200. I also bought stocking stuffers, but I didn't want to show you guys because the kids are looking. So hopefully you heard that. So yeah, $200 for both of my stops. The twins have already started eating, and everyone else is going to eat. I haven't even had breakfast. I did snack on some chips that I bought everyone, so I need to eat. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to eat, put away groceries, put Benjamin, the twins, I just realized I haven't shown my face. Put Benjamin and the twins down for a nap, and then homeschool for a little bit because I probably want to start dinner about 4 o'clock. The other night I made some cubed tofu. I know. To go on top of some salad, and I have some left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of coconut aminos on top of it. to let it marinate a little bit. Who's yelling? Stop, please. Because I'm going to use it for my vegan lasagna. So I'm going to let that sit until I'm ready for it. Alright, so today we're going to talk about Jerusalem. Do you guys remember what we talked about last time?
No.
We talked about the big parade. And in the parade, Jesus walked in.
I don't want a big parade.
Nah. But Jesus walked in what? He walked in on a stallion or a donkey? Oh, yeah, a donkey. So this comes from Matthew chapter 21, verses 8 through 11. Mark chapter 11, verses 8 through 11. Luke chapter 19, verses 36 through 44. John chapter 12, verses 17 through 19. When Jesus entered Jerusalem, I want you to decorate this. Okay? You can use paint. You can use color pencils and crayons and markers. Okay, you can use oil pastels. While Jessie works on her poem from Social Emotional, I'm going to work with Donovan with reading and math. You can wait.
You can wait until it's time.
Yeah.
Because you have math to do.
Okay. So I'm going to say 3 words. And I'm going to ask you which one does not belong. Okay? Ready? Far, car, rat.
What's far, car, rat? What did you say again?
Which one does not belong? Far, car, rat.
Rat.
Good job. Can you tell me why?
No.
Okay, so far and car end in R, and the word rat ends with at, so it does not belong. I'm going to continue with 3 more series of words, and I'm going to tell you which ones don't belong. You ready? I mean, you tell me. Okay. Chart, dart, can.
Can.
Okay. Farm, harm, same. Did the garage wake you up? Did the garage wake you up? No? Okay. We're going to make some fake snow. I figured out how we can do it with the baking soda, shaving cream, and the other stuff. So we're going to make Benny a sensory bin.
Can we put glitter in it? The glitter?
Now, I got the snow glitter, the flake stuff. So go ahead and do that. Y'all can have y'all snack, and then we can...
Let's go.
All right, dump
all this.
Yeah.
So we're about to need more baking soda.
Ben, right here, bud. Over here, honey.
I'm gonna pour it. You saw this? I'll pour it.
Yeah.
Donnie.
Is it open? Open it all the way. Here, Ben, pour that in there.
I want to pour it.
Okay.
Hold on. I want to pour it. I'm just gonna pour the whole thing.
Yeah.
I want to pour it.
Now here.
Oh.
You got shake it up. Shake up the shaving cream.
And now, do I open it? Trash.
Yeah. Wait a minute. So Donnie's going to spray shaving cream. And what you're going to do is, because he's about to mess it up anyway. You're going to mix it. Here. Mix it until you get the consistency.
Can I do it?
Consistency that you want. Yep.
And now clean.
More. Keep going. All right, let's see it. Let's see you start mixing it. All right, that's enough. Because we don't want
to mix it with can I mix it with my hand?
Yes.
Let me mix. Yes.
Let me know how it feels. Do we need more?
Yes. Yes. It feels nice. It feels like a massage.
Okay.
Yeah. I can feel it. I want some. Me too. What is that? Me too. I want some.
Keep going. Oh, you want it in your hand? Y'all making a mess.
It's fun.
All right, I think I got enough. What do you think?
No. Yeah.
That's enough? How's it feel?
No. Once it gets not sticky, is that enough?
I don't know. What consistency do y'all want it? Is it nice?
We want more.
Okay.
More. I think we
So
need
I'm
more.
gonna do this outside.
We'll do the fishing tomorrow, guys.
Okay, go ahead.
More to mine too.
Is that your hand? Whose hand is that?
That was mine.
All right, go
I
ahead.
want some.
I just gave you some.
I want some more.
All right, y'all fine. Put it in there.
I got a lot.
All right, so does it? Let me see. Let's see. Can you make a snowball?
I'm making
Make sure we get a good
No.
consistency.
It's not like
Too dry?
Yeah, a little bit too dry. Guys, I made a snowball.
Okay, that's the perfect consistency. Alright, so we are done school. My husband came home and picked up the boys so that they could get their haircuts. And he saw that we were still doing school, and he just said, just go ahead and order something because, to be honest, it was a little bit late to start cooking the lasagna. Yes, baby.
Samara's one. He's supposed to get his hair cut.
No, he's not. Okay, so with that being said, we were just thinking, like, where can we eat? Where can we go? Me and Jesse, because the boys are gone. The twins are here with us. And so we're going to do Panera. I'm going to order the Mediterranean sandwich. I think I'm going to order a salad as well because I probably will get hungry a little later. And then the kids are going to have pizza, and then I don't know what I'm going to order my husband. He might not even want anything, but I'm going to call him and see. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Turned out to be a great day. And if you haven't heard it, know that our Heavenly Father loves you. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.